The purpose of this video is to show you exactly where Apple products are manufactured. So if you've ever wondered what the inside looks like at Apple's insane factory, or what technology goes into making iPhones, watch this video because we're going to give you every detail. The iPhone is undoubtedly one of the most popular modern smartphones in the iPhone has revolutionized mobile phone trends in many individuals' lifestyles since its inception, with over 1 billion devices sold worth hundreds of billions of dollars. From its design to its technology and security features, it's simply the best device you can ever have. With the quality design and features offered by the Apple iPhone, millions of customers worldwide are always willing to pay a lot. But many users don't know how manufacturers manufacture iPhones. But the truth is that the iPhone was not produced in one country, and several countries and companies work together to create it. Although you always see the Apple iPhones designed in California, that doesn't mean they are manufactured there. So where are they manufactured, and what is it like inside the Apple iPhone factory? The factory complex is located near Zhengzhou, a city with 9.5 million people. Foxconn, the Taiwan electronics manufacturer, runs the factory. If you wanted to understand how iPhones are made, you need to look at two major concepts: assembling and manufacturing. While these concepts may sound familiar, they are very different. Although Apple designs and sells the iPhone, its components aren't. In order to manufacture an iPhone, most of the products are purchased from manufacturers and assembled in quality factories. Despite the fact that many people are aware of the severe working conditions at Foxconn factory, there are still a few job seekers queuing up today at the factory. Foxconn, also known as iPhone City, is a factory with an area of 2.2 million square meters. There are many advantages to having an assembly line that's 350 workers at the Foxconn factory, one of which is that it has a lot of square miles to offer. As far as building Apple's iPhone is concerned, Foxconn has been Apple's longest-running partner since the factory was built in Cheshire, China. Founded in 2010, the Zhengzhou iPhone factory is exclusively dedicated to Apple's iPhone production. There are 94 production lines at the factory, which allows thousands of iPhones to be produced each day. This is why there are thousands of workers in this factory. It takes a lot of people to solder one component or fit a single screw into an iPhone on a daily basis. A single iPhone may take a minute to polish, so each production line is able to polish 600 to 700 phones per day. Once the phone leaves the assembly line, it is placed in a sleek white fiberboard box. It's then wrapped and placed on a wooden pallet and wheeled to the trucks outside the factory. Years ago, personal computers were loaded into trucks and transported to the factory gate. Previously, smartphones were transported by container ship to the United States. However, smartphones are small and easy to ship by plane. Their cost-effectiveness also made transportation much easier. Apple signs agreements with major shipping companies such as UPS and FedEx to ship iPhones worldwide. If you're optimistic about the future of technology, it's easy to carry out 150 iPhones in an aluminum canister. We are currently working on shifting some iPhone production from China to other markets, including India, the world's second-largest smartphone market. With a workforce rivaling many US cities, the company is also planning to assemble iPad tablets there. The factory has sprouted what residents have called the iPhone City. Factory workers live in dorms outside Foxconn's gates. A migration of entrepreneurs and vendors set up shops below and around the dorms to make a living since Foxconn started making iPhones for Apple in 2007. As a result, workers started rioting against overcrowded dormitories, poor sanitation, and poor food. This forced Apple and Foxconn to make some changes at the factory. When work begins at 8 a.m., factory workers begin streaming into the factory around 7 a.m. Those who have the means will ride motor scooters, while those without will walk from nearby dormitories. Some also take the bus if they live further away. Since 2007, Foxconn has faced allegations of labor abuse and poor working conditions. Its workers face harsh penalties if they make mistakes. Most of the time, they are exposed to chemicals that can harm them. They work more than 10 hours a day without proper training or equipment. With 1.3 million employees on mainland China, Foxconn remains the largest private employer in the country. Factory for iPhones. If you have any questions regarding today's topic or want to share something that is related to the video, then feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections below. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.